In this video, we will be making peanut butter banana ice cream, and these are our ingredients. Peanut butter, and it's delicious, as it said. Delicious somewhere over there. And here we will be needing vanilla extract, and we will only need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we also need 3 bananas. I'm using 3 bananas because I will be serving 3 people, myself 2 times, and 1 time to my brother. 5 bananas, doctor. So now that we've finished cutting all of the bananas, we will put them in the blender. Now we will put in our 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Here, is enough. You're comfortable, come on, please. Here's our first one. Now we put a little tiny bit more. That's enough. Because too much will be bad tasting. We still need a banana flavor. We need 1/4 of a cup. Okay, fellow viewers, we will now put this in our Ninja. We will not be naming this peanut butter banana ice cream. We shall name this the new name, Desert Ice Cream, because the ice cream looks like desert sand. And it has 18% protein. It's also healthy. So, wow. I will see you in 2 to 3 hours. So we put the ice cream in the freezer for 3 hours, and now let's try the ice cream. Eventually, it's good, but it's not ice cream. It's just a healthy version of ice cream, but okay. And it's still good, so to try it, and like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!